Turn your yellow teeth into pearly white, 2 minutes. People often associate yellowing teeth with bad oral hygiene when this isn't necessarily true. Because of this, many of us have self-esteem issues. Some even spend so much money to whiten their teeth and in turn boost their self-image. Well, you'd be surprised to know that turning your yellow teeth into pearly whites doesn't necessarily mean breaking the bank. Instead, you can use effective ingredients that are cheap and are possibly just lying around your kitchen. Want a quick way to whiten your teeth, say 2-minute stops? You can. Just try these tips below. We assure you, the ingredients are very common, such as baking soda and salt, which we will be delving more on in the next few minutes, so don't leave just yet. Number 1, baking soda and lemon juice. Chances are, you've probably heard of this remedy already. To make your own whitening paste, place a few teaspoons of baking soda on a small plate. Take out a fresh lemon and squeeze some juice into the baking soda. Mix the two ingredients until you have a fine paste. Before applying on your teeth, wipe your mouth first to get rid of the extra saliva from your teeth. After which, use your toothbrush to apply a layer of paste to your teeth. Let the paste sit on your teeth for a minute and rinse it off. Be careful, however, to not leave the paste on your mouth for longer than 1 minute, as it can damage the enamel of your teeth. If you don't have fresh lemon juice, replace it with water. In this case, you can leave the water in baking soda paste for 3 minutes before rinsing off. Number 2, banana peel. Bananas are versatile. You can use them in smoothies, desserts, and milkshakes. But did you know that the peel itself is actually quite useful? Use the white side of the banana peel and rub it onto your teeth for a few minutes. Next, brush your teeth like you usually do. Number 3, mustard oil and salt. Another unique remedy to whiten your teeth in the comfort of your home is by using mustard oil and salt. This won't only whiten your teeth but also kill the harmful bacteria in your mouth. The first ingredient is mustard oil, which is extracted from mustard seeds and is known for its several uses. For starters, it's a popular and effective remedy for making the hair long and lustrous, especially in the southeastern region. And when applied to teeth together with some salt, it becomes a perfect natural whitener. To make your own concoction, just mix 1 part salt and 3 parts mustard oil. In other words, if you're using 1 tablespoon of salt, put 3 tablespoons of mustard oil. Once you have mixed them, rub them on your teeth for a few minutes. Either use your finger or toothbrush to massage the mixture on your teeth. Do this for 2 to 3 minutes and see the results for yourself. So, which among those 3 remedies do you think you'll be trying first? Tell us about your answer in the comments section below. And while you're at it, you might also comment what other hacks you want us to cover next time. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel.